Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ashley, and today I'm going to show y'all my eyebrow routine. This is how I do my eyebrows on a day-to-day basis without having to apply any makeup or any eyeshadow or anything like that. I am not a professional. I have just learned how to do my eyebrows over the years, different techniques, different concealers, brushes, whatever. So of course, if you're interested, continue watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, let's go ahead and subscribe right now. Just hit that red button. I will list all of the products that I use in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If there's nothing else, then let's jump right into the video. So I somehow deleted me filling in my brows, but I used the Color Mates pencil, and now I'm just going in to conceal with my concealer. Now I'm going to buff out the front of my brow, and this is going to keep from having that blocky look that I see a lot of people with. Everything else from this point is just going to be blending, blending, blending. You want to make sure you don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. You can go in and add you some mascara. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.